Hi everyone, this is Cindy Creative to Heart, and I'm back with a very exciting thing to show you, and that is the Echo Park warehouse sale box. So this box was $50 with $10 shipping, and it was part of their warehouse in-person sale. So because there are people who couldn't, be in Utah, they offered a box. So I debated whether to get the box. I was really concerned that all the items in here would be items from Tuesday morning. And I'm happy to say that that's mostly not the case. So I'm going to go through this, and the question really is, was this box worth it? It's the question I ask myself. So are these things I could use in product lines that I would use? So for the most part, I'm going to be honest. I'm going to say I'm pretty happy. So first, these Hello Fall decorative bows by Cricut. I actually just picked up the Hello Fall collection from Tuesday morning. I haven't actually seen these particular bows there. I'm sure they've been there because they've had lots of bows from all the different collections there. I don't know how much they are because I refuse to buy them, but I think they're like $1.99 Tuesday morning prices. Excuse me. I got a couple of paper clip bows, and these are really cute. A little bit different. I haven't seen these at Tuesday morning. This is in the Celebrate Easter, and then this one is the Rockabye Baby. But it's not real baby. I think it's just the girl colors. And then, let's see, we got a couple of these mini paper fans, which I resisted buying at Tuesday morning, but I have seen people do really cute things with them. They've covered this with different things. So you absolutely could, if it matched your project or some Happy Mail, you could cover this or rip this off and put your own center here and just use the fan itself, or rosette, basically. So I got that one, which is Rockabye Baby Girl and Rockabye Baby Boy. And I don't hate these. I think these are really cute, and I could find ways to use them. And then some other things that I got a couple stamps. Don't really use these large houndstooth. I might stamp it out just to see what it looks like, but I generally don't. And then I did get this one, which is a Cartabella. It's a little bit more vintagey than I normally use, so I don't know if this is going to be destashed or given away, but they came in my box. And then some other things that I got these decorative rub-ons from A Perfect Winter, which I do have this collection from Tuesday morning, but I haven't seen the rub-ons there, so that's definitely something new. These are enamel shapes for Once Upon a Time. These are really, really cute. I think I might have this collection. I'm not totally positive. This one is Cabin Fever. I don't believe I have these layered stickers. Some decorative brads. These are A Perfect Winter. This is a stencil. Cartabella. Don't know what they're calling this one. Snow skis. That's what that one is. And then this 6x6 stencil, which is these ornaments. Let's see. This is a Welcome Home chipboard accents. I think it has really a fall feel to it, so that's pretty cool. This is an 8x8 dots and stripes. Now, it's double-sided, and I really like these dots and stripes for cutting images out with my Cricut, especially layered ones that I am actually going to be layering. I really do like them. So I did get the dots and stripes in this kind of candy. Reminds me of candy. It's Little Girl dots and stripes, and this one is, I don't know what this one is. Oh, Summer. So got those. And then a couple of washi. This one is Deck the Halls, and it's got these snowflakes. This one is I Love Family, but I think it could be Christmas. It could be fall. It's fine. And then it came with these cut-aparts, but they're like falling apart, so they're like all over my box here. Little bent or whatever. There's 2 sheets of the same one, and they are basically very lightweight cardstock stickers. So got it in that one, and got it in this one. They're kind of falling apart. This is the summer one. And then in this one, which is their kind of road one that they have, I can't remember exactly what it's called. It reminds me a little bit of like Radiator Springs. Okay, so then I got this Our Family, which I actually don't have and have never had, so that's kind of exciting. It's not necessarily my style, but sometimes it's fun just to make an album just for fun. So that one's really cute. I got this, which is a thank you, many thanks silver foil collection. So it's kind of interesting. I don't know that you would like do a layout with this. I just make cards with it. I'm just not totally really sure. But it's pretty. It comes with all these pretty colors. So I got this large little boy collection, 12 by 12, and I really think that this is really good for like Christmas, maybe some other stuff. So I like that. I got this one. That one was little boy. This one's little girl. I don't think I have any of the 12 by 12 dots and stripes. This one, which I've almost bought a couple of times and never have, it's their Space Academy by Stephen Duncan. This is definitely a Tomorrowland vibe for me, and I love it. So that was exciting. I got Magical Adventure, which I may or may not have, but I'm totally fine with having more of it. I saw this. Did I see this there? Or yeah, I think I did see this at Tuesday morning. I did not buy it because I thought, what if I get it? And then I got this super random, I think it's random, 2 sheets of just this cardstock, which I don't really understand, just this random sheets of cardstock. So I'm trying to figure out what I would classify, you know, the value. So if I was buying this at Tuesday morning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these would probably be what? $5.99. So these would be $42. These ones I wouldn't even count. 42. This would be like $3 a piece. It's 48. I think washi's only is free. This is probably $2. That's 50. These are probably $2 a piece. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. These are what? $5 usually. So I would say that Tuesday morning prices, if you bought this box at Tuesday morning, it would probably cost you roughly $80 plus tax. So I wasn't charged tax for this. So I think it was a good bargain. I would love to hear what you guys think. Are we surprised by the box? I'm a little bit surprised by it. I'm surprised that there wasn't more sort of holiday themed items in here, like Valentine's Day or Halloween. Holidays have already passed, so I'm a little surprised about that. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. If you guys got something different, I'd love to see that. Or you went to the warehouse sale and they had different things there. I would love to know about that. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, the Crying at the Heart.